Welcome to GetGlim's channel. Anthropic's Cloud is a next-generation AI assistant built on a foundation of safety and constitutional AI. Unlike other models, it's trained to be helpful, harmless, and honest, making it particularly effective for a range of tasks from content creation to complex problem solving. This tutorial will guide you through using Cloud with real-world use cases and implementation tips. Let's start with getting started with Cloud. The most direct way to interact with Cloud is through this official claude.ai web interface. You can access it for free with paid plans available for increased usage and advanced features. Let's see the free plan. This allows you to chat with Cloud, upload documents and images, and even generate code and also analyze data. It's a great starting point for personal use and simple tasks. For Pro Plan, this provides more usage, access to the most capable Cloud models, and features like unlimited projects to organize your charts and deep research tools. This is ideal for professionals and those who use Cloud daily. Now let's get to the real-world use cases. Cloud's robust capabilities and extensive context window make it suitable for a wide variety of applications, both simple and complex. In here, we have content creation and editing. Cloud excels at writing, brainstorming, and editing. You can provide a brief prompt to generate an article, a marketing email, or a creative story. For a more structured approach, you can give it a specific persona, like act as a professional copywriter, and a clear format like generate a 3-paragraph memo on like this. And you can see you will get a more refined output. We also have summarization and analysis. With its large context window, Cloud can process and summarize large volumes of text, including entire books, research papers, or even legal documents. You can upload files like PDFs like this, or even docs files, and ask it to extract key arguments, summarize data, or even create a table of contents. We also have coding and debugging. I like this. Cloud is a powerful coding assistant. It can write code in most major programming languages. You can see I've just typed write a Python code on a snake game. And you can see it can even explain code snippets. It can also debug errors and also refactor existing code to be more efficient. Tools like Cloud Code integrate directly into your IDE, like even this VS Code, turning Cloud into an AI pair programmer that can complete multi-file changes and even write unit tests. We also have AI agents and workflow automation. For developers, Cloud can be used as the engine for AI agents that perform multi-step tasks. For example, an agent powered by Cloud can route customer support tickets, automate email responses, or conduct research by interacting with a suite of tools. This is where Cloud's reasoning and long context capabilities truly shine. Now let's get to the implementation tips. First, master prompt engineering. The quality of your output is directly tied to the quality of your prompt. Be explicit, direct, and use a structured approach. One of the most effective techniques is using XML-like tags, like this one here, which is instructions, to separate your instructions from your context. We also have start simple, then scale. Don't try to build a complex agent from day one. Begin with simple prompts and tasks to get a feel for how Cloud behaves. Once you have a clear understanding, you can gradually add more complexity and even build more advanced workflows. Also, leverage its unique features. Take advantage of Cloud's distinctive features, such as its ability to handle long documents and its built-in safety mechanisms. You can use its chain of thought prompting to get it to reason through problems step by step, which can dramatically improve accuracy on complex questions. Another key tip here is to integrate with your tools. For businesses, Cloud's API can be integrated with existing tools and platforms. The Model Context Protocol, that is MCP, is a powerful feature that allows Cloud to connect with external data sources like your company's internal knowledge base, enabling it to provide more accurate and relevant responses. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.